Hey guys, Detix here, welcome back to my new video, and this is Pixel 6 Pro, which I got it from Ovantica website. So this is not a proper Pixel review, I will do this in next video in detail. In this video I will review Ovantica website, my experience with it, and everything about this website, and also customer support. And let's see how's this website for ordering mobile phone in detail. So welcome guys, it's your friend Dibyansh and you're watching Detix. So I discovered this website from YouTube itself. There were lots of short videos from Ovantica official YouTube channel where they were unboxing phones, and I've also googled it for some more details. And when I visited their website, they also have COD option, so I decided to give it a try. So I was planning for Note 20 Ultra bronze color and I ordered it for 39,500, where I have to give 5,000 advance payment for opt for cash on delivery. Now I have to pay remaining 39,000. But they called me next day and said that Note 20 Ultra is not available. But we can arrange you a black color if you want. But I cancelled it as I already have Note 10 Plus black color and I want that bronze color of Note 20 Ultra. But later I decided to buy Google Pixel 6 Pro as it was also available at same price like Note 20 Ultra, and I wanted to try Pixel phone for so long, so I decided to give it a try. I ordered it and it's a Tamil Nadu based company. They confirm order by call, by WhatsApp, by email, text, and it came to Indore within 3 days. So delivery was really fast, and here's the box and a quick unboxing. So we get a phone, a charger, SIM ejector and this pop-up holder, and packaging was really nice. So let's see how's the main thing, which is Google Pixel 6 Pro. Well, phones look really amazing. The design, the color and the hold is quite amazing. And the condition of this phone is like unboxed, brand new, no sign of uses, no minor lines and scratches. It feels completely new. So well done Ovantica for that. But let's see how's the inside. So here's the first boot of this phone. And it's been quite a day I'm using this phone, and if you want I will make a complete in detail review about my experience with this phone. So for me this Ovantica website is quite reliable. They have proper website. You can browse from various companies. I must say price was a little bit on higher side, but they have cash on delivery option, EMI option and pay later option, which you can use while purchasing. So for me it's a trustworthy website. Initially even I'm not sure of how this website gonna be, but you can trust them. After placing order, they will call you, message you 2-3 times just to confirm order, which is quite a heck of, but you will get a surety regarding your order, model number, color, storage type, etc. So yes, this is a thing, and told you it's a Tamil Nadu based company, so they will talk to you in English. मैंने हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश की थी पर फ़ोन काट दिया उन्होंने, but overall I really like their service. बस वो 500 का नुकसान हो गया. If anyone from Ovantica watching this, please refund my money ASAP. Anyway, conclusion is you can try this website. They have transparency. You can visit their website. Price is a little bit on higher side as I already told you, and product price vary time to time, so wait for price drop if you can, but make sure to opt for cash on delivery if you are not assured. It's up to you. And if you want to ask anything, let me know in comment section, anything about this website, about their service, about this phone. And I hope you will like this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and yes, you can also show your support by clicking on subscribe button. We will meet in our next video, and if you want Pixel 6 Pro detailed review, then let me know in comment section. Till then, take care.